Let's talk about going wireless in your warehouse. We're talking about distribution needs, data collect, all happening on a handheld device that's wireless. From here we can process a goods receipt from a PO, we can do inventory transfers, we can do our cycle counting, we can also pick our orders, get them packed, get them shipped out the door. We'll start off with a goods receipt. If you have the PO number in front of you, obviously you can scan that because we're talking about a wireless handheld device. At the same time, if you wanted to, you could simply come in and select the PO that you're going to receive against. You can click the quantity that you're receiving here on the device, or you can simply scan those items and then process it. This will create a goods receipt in the system to help you keep track of your inventory in real time. The other thing that we can do is come down and do a transfer, say a bin-to-bin transfer or warehouse-to-warehouse transfer. Let's process a transaction where we'll do a transfer from bin A1 to bin A2. Let's take a look at our items in that bin location, A1. This will pull up a list of the items that we're storing in the general warehouse 01 in bin location A1. It's just set as a default for inventory items. What we'll do is select an item here. You can see the information on the item. It's that IBM Info Print 1312. On the actual transfer, we'll punch in a quantity that we're going to transfer, and as we mentioned, we'll send these over to A-2. You can come in and punch in the quantities that are necessary for any of the inventory items that you see on the list, and when we add this in the system, again, it's real time, so it's actually going to hit the GLs and move your inventory over to the other bin location and track that with complete visibility inside the system. We can also do our cycle counts wireless on the handheld device. Come in here and select the items that we've counted, save this, and add this into the system, and then it will show us what we've counted, get that updated for us, so that, again, gives you the complete flexibility to go out in the warehouse on a wireless handheld device and do your cycle counting. The same thing with an order pick. Simply select a pick list that we'll be picking from. Now you can do this from an invoice, you can do it from a pick list, or you can do it from an actual order for the customer, depending on what your needs are, how you set it up. Let's say that we picked everything on this order here. So we've got everything that we've needed right there. We save this into the system. And now it will show that it's been picked, and we can go ahead and move it over to the delivery station. They can go ahead and create the delivery note, the shipping and ticket processing, and get that out to the customer.